Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely gonna love my channel. So make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. As you can see, today I am wearing one of my favorite coats ever. Now, this is my LAMARQUE turkey feather coat, and yes, this is a turkey, but we are going to be taking a closer look at it, and all of the cute little details, and the reasonable price point of this as well. Now, the cute thing about this, I do have 3 of these all together. Of course, we have my black one, which you've seen in my Sad Truth video. This is so perfect for being like a widow and crying. And then this one right here is so cute. This color blue is everything. Look how cute it is. I'm going to be taking a closer look at all of these and trying them on as well. But then we have this dusty rose pink one, and this is so beautiful. I really love it as well. So without any further ado, let's dive right into these. Now we're going to be trying these on, and I'm so excited for you guys to get to see it. Now to keep these absolutely perfect, I do store these in my Cucinelli dust bags, and these are such good dust bags. Absolutely love them. Go ahead, open it up, and it is so beautiful. It's so cute. Look at the color. The color alone on this one is absolutely everything. I love it. So this one, as you can totally see, so cute, so worth it. This is absolutely everything. Now, one thing I will say about this is they make so many different ones, which I'll get into later on in the video, but as you can see, this one cuts right here where your hip would be. Normally, I would actually like this to be where my shirt ends, so I do wish this was longer. However, it's really just like the size, and because I do have man's shoulders, unfortunately, I do have to get a size large. So if I did get a size medium, it might fit a little bit tighter, but because this is a large, it might have extra bulky fabric back here. Like, I wish this was all gone and just made like that. So cute how you have that like cute little indent there. But because of the large, it does have a little bit extra fabric, but because of that, my arms can actually move. I can reach for things, and it's not so like crazy and just horrible to wear. But this one, so cute. You pair it with a bag like the La Medusa, it just complements it so greatly. And this one, absolutely amazing, and I love it. Now we're going to try on the Dusty Rose color. This was the very first one I ever got, and this one meant so much to me, because to me this was so Chanel Oberlin. And one thing I will say about these is this is totally like starter feathers. To me, even wearing this kind of says that like I would like to purchase ostrich feathers, but we all know that ostrich feathers are so expensive compared to turkey feathers. So turkey feathers are like the cheap way of getting real authentic feathers that aren't ostrich, so do keep that in mind. Like, it kind of looks like, you know, a young girl wanting to really dress up and put on like all the best clothes and really have her Chanel Oberlin fantasy. But to be honest, I don't care. I still like it. I still think it's cute, even though sometimes it may make you look like a bird or make you look super big. So I have such small, skinny legs, but I'm totally used to having like a big top and small legs. So to me, I don't mind it. I kind of think it's cute actually. But it's so cute. I love it. Now, you might actually know that I did go to the KAPPA Towel House in New Orleans, where they shot the amazing TV show Scream Queens. And Scream Queens, I love Scream Queens, love Emma Roberts, Chanel Oberlin, so turkey feathers and just feathers in general, absolutely love them. Now, I definitely would like to get ostrich feathers. I would love ostrich feathers, but definitely one day I shall accomplish that. But this also looks so cute, just putting it off on your shoulder like this. Like, usually when I go out, this is how I would wear it, but I would grab a bag. So, you know, this one is super cute. My pink Versace La Medusa, paired with this coat, is just so girly and so cute. Makes you want to put on like a pair of pink shoes and just go out for the day. And then of course you know by now the black one, which is my all-time favorite. It's just so cool and so cute. I absolutely love it, and this one is actually the fluffiest one that I do have. When you do go ahead and store them away, all you have to do is just shake it, and then, you know, it perfectly fixes itself. And I love when you go outside and there's a huge gust of wind, because it really fluffs up your coat and makes it so perfect. Black one in general just looks so cute over the shoulders. You don't even have to put the arms in it. And this is just so cute. Personally, I do kind of wear it like this sometimes because it does make me look thinner. Because like I said, the larges kind of do make me look a little bit bigger than I actually am. But that's just, again, so I could have like room to move my shoulders. Like, all of the extra fabric right here, wha-bam, should be gone. So it should look like this, but it does look like this, and that's a huge difference. But again, I could technically just like tailor it or do it myself and just like cinch it in, but maybe one day, but it's not a big problem to me. But this one is so cute. I really, really do love this one. However, I do have to be honest, with this black one, I do have one of my favorite outfits ever to pair it with, and I have to show you. So I do have a lot of fur pieces, and this right here is a fox fur headband. And I love this one so much. You just go ahead and fluff it up by shaking it like this. This right here is honestly one of my favorite looks ever. I love wearing these together. You got the fox fur, you got the turkey feathers. This is so winter and just, again, so Chanel Oberlin. One of my favorite bags to wear this with is my Chanel Trendy. And the Chanel Trendy is just so cute, especially when you have the chain hanging off of the bag. It's just so precious and so cute. I love it. As you can see, look how cute it is. Just like that, we're going to Saks Fifth Avenue, we're going to Prada, going to Versace, and spending all our money. One of my favorite outfits ever to wear with this is actually my Versace sweater with my cashmere track pants and my fox fur muff again. However, this one is in white and it has like this beautiful like gray tint to it. This paired with the turkey feathers is honestly so cute. By the way, even with just a headband on, you can see that this is honestly like a holy grail outfit. This is honestly so cute. This outfit does even have a matching Versace bag, and it's just so cute. This does have an entire video as well, the cute little handbag. And this is everything. I love this so much. But again, with the black turkey coat, it's everything. And voila, with the black turkey feather coat, it is everything. The black, the white, the pop of color, the pink Chanel Trendy. It is honestly such a good outfit, and I love this so, so much. And this is just honestly, it makes me so happy, and it's just so glamorous, and in all honesty, just like 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. This outfit also goes amazing with my purple Versace heels. Again, the pop of color and how the purple coordinates with the purple on the sweater. It is just so cute. I have to try it on. And just like that, the cutest runway outfit with the Versace heels. It is just so cute and precious. I love this look so much. Again, either with the turkey feathers or without the turkey feathers. It is just everything, and I love it. It's just the cutest outfit on the go. This is actually one of my favorite things to wear when I do go shopping. I actually usually carry my Fendace La Medusa, Fendi, and Versace mixed into one. This is such a loud and obnoxious outfit, but it's such a great outfit at that. Like, you can't deny how good this outfit is. 10 out of 10, thousands out of thousands, and I love it. Taking a closer look at the dusty rose color, the light color, we can see more of the details that are put into this. However, I will say that do not wear this while you are driving because my seatbelt totally ripped out a huge chunk of feathers, and guess where there is a giant chunk missing? Honestly, you could never even tell because I did replace it with feathers from Joann Fabrics, but it is right here. So if you look very, very closely, you'll see that I actually did take a similar color feather, and all I did was hot glue it on, and honestly, you would never tell the difference. The inside lining, you can see that it's a super, super cute color. Very, very soft, and just have the LAMARQUE tag on the inside. The blue one honestly comes off so much better on camera, so this close-up, I prefer it so much because the other one, it just made it look so messy, and I promise in person it is not that messy, but this is such beautiful, beautiful coloring. As you can see, the beautiful feathers everywhere. There are so many of them. Again, for the lining, it is the beautiful blue color and so cute. I really do love these. I totally recommend these just because they're so beautiful. I'm not going to take a closer look at the black one because it's pretty self-explanatory. However, in another vlog, I did try on this beautiful crop top from LAMARQUE as well, and I want this so bad, especially to pair with a turtleneck. This would be such a cute outfit. Now, one thing I will say about the LAMARQUE brand is the brand is really affordable. Like I said, the coats are like $300, but they always go on sale for about like $110. So to be honest, I have never bought any of these for over $90 ever. So it is such a good deal. For all three of these, I pretty much got it for the price of one. So that's absolutely amazing, and it is really, really cool. So as you've seen, it is genuine turkey feathers, and I know how some people feel about fur and turkey and feathers and just everything like that. I am not going to get into that in this video. We are just going to embrace this beautiful soul that once did live and is now transformed into this beautiful coat for it to be treasured forever and to be respected forever, because like we all know, it was from a living thing. So if you do have something like this, you really do have to respect it and understand that, you know, it's better off with somebody who really cares and appreciates it rather than somebody who's going to treat it bad and just throw it in the trash. However, there are so many brands that does make this exact same thing, but in different styles. Some will be longer, some will be shorter, some will like crop right here and just do like their shoulder area. There are so many different variations of it. There's turkey feathers, there's ostrich, there's marabou, so many different combinations that you could do, but most of them are definitely more expensive. They're like $800, $500, where the LAMARQUE ones are always usually about $300. Now the brand itself, I will say that as much as I do love their coats, the brand itself I do kind of have my thoughts about, because I have posted a lot on social media with the coats, and they may have liked it, and they did have one person that did send like a nice message. However, I noticed that they always repost everybody, and then the only person that does not get reposted, even like the same day that I posted a photo, is me. And I'm like, all the girls are getting posted, but I'm not sure if they are a fan of a guy wearing their coat or not, because it's the only thing that they're not posting. So when you see 10 people that are posting on the same day as you and they get posted and you're the only one not, of course it's going to raise some questions. Now, do I care too much? No, because if I did care too much, then I wouldn't be wearing this coat and I would have sold all of these by now. But I'm just taking it as whoever is the social media person probably isn't the best person for the job. However, the brand itself can totally feel differently. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me which one of these three coats was your favorite color, and if there's one that you want, or if anything like this that you would like as well, definitely comment that down below, and have a great day. Au revoir.